Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Brahmapur Adventures once again. Today I am taking you to New Delhi and the travel festival program which is being held under the banner of YMCA and February 2020. Yeah, we can see over here a tribal dance that is of Munda tribe. This festival is being held every year under the banner of YMCA Young Men's Christian Association in New Delhi, and all of tribal peoples are being invited to show their culture, their dresses and their food habits, and all kinds of tribal arts, crafts, and their tradition. We can see over here the large crowd of the audience that are witnessing the festival. Most of the tribal people of India, from Doda tribe from Tamil Nadu, Kanyak from Nagaland, Worli from Mumbai, Maharashtra, Gonda from southern Orissa, Gond from Madhya Pradesh, Kenori from Himachal Pradesh, Santhal from Jharkhand, Koki from Manipur, Munda from Jharkhand. All these tribal people represented here. We can see here the beautiful dances of the Munda tribe. They are known, their drum beating is known to be very beautiful, very authentic. We can say here their rhythm, that is again the dances of the Munda tribe. We can find the Munda, Santal and Gond tribes mostly similar. That is one of the tribal dances. This seems to be the Doda tribe from Tamil Nadu. And that is from Tamil Nadu. Beautiful dance being danced by the young women here. Yeah, there is also the girls are dancing with the music from Tamil Nadu. There is some other dancers from Tamil Nadu. So you can see here the young men and women dancing, and that is the modern song from the Jharkhand state. It's a very exciting festival actually, and a lot of tribal people take parts in here. Yeah, this is a very interesting part of the fashion show of the tribal attires, tribal dresses. Yeah, that is very interesting. Yeah, he is from Konyak tribe of Nagaland, one of the very largest tribes of Nagaland, and known to be a head hunter. Yeah, the very beautiful attires that the women's wear. Yeah, that's attires that is being worn by themselves. That is a very beautiful dress, very gorgeous. It seems to be from the south state, from Doda tribe, from Tamil Nadu. Yeah, that is Konyak tribe of Nagaland, one of the largest tribes and known to be the headhunter. It is the warrior tribe of northern state of Nagaland. There's the Worli tribes from Mumbai, the Maharashtra. They're very beautiful attires, especially the ladies' attires are very attractive, very authentic, and very peculiar and very particular. We can say here one of the tribes from Orissa, Gonda tribe. They are mostly found in the southern Orissa. Wow, very beautiful. We can see the whole tribal people of India in this festival, and really we can see the main pictures of India. They are the originals, inhabitants of Indian state, the tribal people who are living at a time immemorial. There is also very beautiful dresses, and they are Kanuri tribe of Himachal Pradesh, the beautiful hill state of Himachal Pradesh. The Kanuri tribe, their dresses are known to be very beautiful among the tribes of India. We can see the real pictures of India through these tribal people with their original dresses, originality. The YMCA is taking very good initiative to bring all these tribal peoples in the mainstream. Latest Kuki tribe, which is found in almost all 7 states of Northeast. Yeah, we can see here now all the tribes walking in the ground. We can see here the beautiful attire is being worn by them. Beautiful. That is the time to show their culture, their dances, their traditions to the mainstream India. See how wonderful exhibition it is. That is the living style, their living styles in their respective places. They are the hunter tribe.
Mountains of Tamil Nadu.
That is the Gonda tribe of Tamil Nadu.
Is herding and daily work. They are well known for their embroidery garments.
They are well known for the embroidery garments. That is being announced.
Konyak tribes of Nagaland. The Konyaks have the largest population among the Nagas. They are recognized among the other Naga by the tattoos on face and hands. They are the last headhunters of India.
They are the last headhunters of India, the Konyak tribe of Nagaland. unique dresses. They are the hunter tribe, warrior tribe.
is among the largest tribe found on the northern outskirts of Mumbai. Worli gets its name from Waral, meaning small piece of till land. Their famous Worli paintings exhibit their compassion towards all living beings and is best represented by a circle which has neither end or a beginning.
There's the Warli tribes of Mumbai.
Bonda tribe. Bonda tribe are the Munda ethnic group who lives in the isolated regions of Malkangiri district of southern Odisha. They are known as Remo, meaning people in Boda language. They are the oldest and the most primitive in the mainland India.
Most primitive Bonda tribes who are inhabitants of southern Odisha.
Ural tribe, the fifth largest tribe in southern Asia, call themselves Kuru by the name taken from the hero king Kara.
One tribe.
Gond tribe are one of the largest tribal groups in India. Gond tribe comes from the expression Gond, meaning the green mountains.
The Gond tribes which are mostly found in Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Orissa. One of the largest tribes.
Kinnauri tribes belong from beautiful district of Himachal Pradesh. The rich culture of Kinnauri tribe has maintained its glory over the ages. Their dresses like dhongru, stole and busheri topi are among the popular items.
They are the Kinnauri tribes of Himachal Pradesh.
Santhal tribe. They are the largest tribe in the Jharkhand state. The word Santhal is derived from the two words, Santa meaning calm and peaceful and Ala meaning man.
They are the Santhal tribes of Jharkhand. Most primitive tribes.
Thado tribe is a northern Kuki-Chin language spoken widely in Manipur, Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram, Burma as well as Bangladesh borders. They have a culture of their own and distinct language.
That is Kuki tribes. One of the very beautiful tribes of Northeast, mostly found in Manipur, Nagaland, Assam, Mizoram, Burma and even in Bangladesh. There is Munda tribe, it's a very beautiful tribe. They have a distinct culture.
A 25-year-old young boy who called for Urgalan left an indelible mark on tribal rights across the country, was seen as a mystic and folk hero for thousands, was no other than Birsa Munda from Munda tribe.
Birsa Munda, who fought with the British against the British Empire and in home state Jharkhand. There is a beautiful ram from the. That's a beautiful show, in fact. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like it, please like it and subscribe my YouTube channel Brahma Tour Adventures. I promise that I will bring you more and more exciting and adventurous travel videos for you. Thank you. Have a wonderful time.